Hey guys, it's me, Christina Marie. I am doing this lipstick review. No, it's actually not a lipstick review. It's a cheek and a lip color by Flower. Flower is made by Drew Barrymore. I don't know if you guys can see that. You get this at Walmart. This was like $9.98 or something like that. So I grabbed it. I was like, ooh, pink. Look how beautiful the pink is. It's like stunning. Does it twist up? I don't know. Let me see here. This is in the color KM3. Has this this big sticker on the side. Yeah, so you have to take, that's kind of weird. You have to take off this humongous sticker to actually get to the twisty part, but it actually comes up. But look at this. When I saw the color, I was like, oh my gosh, that looks so pretty. So let's go ahead and try it on since I don't have any blush on. Let's put it on the hand first and see what it looks like. So it came out a little chunky. Actually, you know what? Let me just try it on the other hand. This one actually has primer on it, so this is the hand that I put all my foundation and my primer on. So let's try it on the other hand, see if it comes out chunky. Oh, what the freak? It comes out chunky. No fragrance, fragrance free. Okay, so it came out chunky. Let's go ahead and just wipe it. Oh my goodness, it's like a, so it's so funny that I'm gonna say this, because it's going to be like an oxymoron. So it feels like a fine milled sand, but then again, or powder, but you feel the grittiness to it. But it's ironic because look, you feel the grittiness, but you don't see the grittiness, and it doesn't look like it has any grit. And it also didn't feel like it was sanding on my hand. Okay, so yeah, that sounds so stupid for me to say, but that's how it feels. Like it feels like a sand, but it's not a sand. So let's go ahead and just add this onto my blush blender. Let's go ahead and get a clean side. This is the clean side. I'm gonna go ahead and just wipe it down on here. Wow, that is pigmented. Okay, let's go ahead and bounce this on the face, see what we think. Here we go. Ooh, a little bit too much. Oh, look at that. Okay. So it adds that kind of sandy feel. And it just kind of sweeps and blends together. Using your fingers a lot better. So I'm barely tapping the product. I'm barely touching it. And I'm getting a lot of product. Okay guys, this is really super bright on my cheek, so I'm just gonna get my beauty blender that might have a tad bit of product on it, and I'm just gonna diffuse it a little bit. You know what? Let's go over to the clean side on my beauty blender and try this with a wet beauty blender. Because the beauty blender I was using was dry. Oh yeah, stunning. Look at that. I mean, I know that I put a lot and it's very bright, but did you see that? So I just dabbed a little bit on, and watch this. Watch how it makes it all nice and even. Wow. Wow. I mean, I understand that it's super bright, but wow, the way that it just kind of glides on with a damp beauty blender. Don't use your finger. Don't use a dry beauty blender. This is typically what I use for my cream blushes, a dry beauty blender. Use just a damp beauty blender. So I'm going to take a little bit of that product that was still on the beauty blender and kind of diffuse this a little bit. Okay, so now let's try it on the lips. Let's just apply it like that. Beautiful color. It has that grit on the lips. This is what I think. I think it's just supposed to be a little bit, a little wash of color on the lips. It looks cute. It looks like a stain on my lips. But what do you guys think? The cheek, the lips, they match. They look really, really good. Now, I actually kind of love this product, even though I had all those little bit of complications putting it on. I kind of love this product, but I only love it with a damp beauty blender. The lip color's actually like a very, very, very soft, subtle pink. So I think this is great. If you guys try this out, let me know if you've tried it. It said lip, and it's called Kiss Me Twice Lip and Cheek Chubby. If I can find a link to it, I will post it down below in the comment section. But what do you guys think? Tell me. Sound off. Do you like it? That grittiness? I don't like it on the lips so much, but it's not like it's irritating my lips. I don't know. It's a really awkward texture. But I think it looks great. I love this. Tell me, guys. Tell me. Sound off in the comment section down below. Tell me. Would you get this? Would you not? It's $10. It's $10 at Walmart. I think it's very natural looking. Ooh, as long as you don't put on too much in your cheek like what I did. Anyways, if you guys could, please give this video a thumbs up and hit that little bell down there by the subscribe button. I am Christina Marie. I'm out. Bye.